Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel today. Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Hope you're all doing well. Yeah guys, it's still your girl Chioma. So guys, today we are making a special delicacy. As you can see, that's our unripe plantain. I roasted it with my gas and frying pan. Sit back and watch the way I will do it. Yeah, you can roast your plantain in the comfort of your home, inside your kitchen. And then guys, I prepared a special local sauce. So sit back and I'll show you the things I will use for this our healthy food. So guys, for the sauce, we'll be making use of tomatoes. That's my tomatoes. We'll be making use of pepper, that's my red bell pepper. We'll be making use of onions, that's my onions. We'll be making use of crayfish, that's my crayfish. Then we'll be making use of nor, that's my nor cube. I will be making use of dry fish, that's my dry fish. Then I'll be using vegetable, my ugu fruited pumpkin. I'll be making use of it. That's the vegetable I'll be using. Then I'll be making use of Ukpaka. What is it called in English? Okay, I will find out. That's our Ukpaka. Some parts call it Ukpaka, some call it Ugba, but my own we call it Ukpaka. So I'll be making use of it. Then that's my unripe plantain. I will roast it like I told you. See the way I will do it. So guys, sit back and enjoy. I forgot to show you my oil. Please, I'm making use of oil for the sauce. So guys, the first thing I'll be doing is to peel the back of the plantain. So that is it. You have to wash it before peeling. So I've washed it, so I'll be peeling it now. After that, I'll embark on the process of roasting. Sit back and keep watching. Guys, as you can see, I'm giving the plantain cut. That's the way I'm doing it. Please do it this way so that the heat will enter inside. It will enable the plantain to cook well inside. Do you understand? So keep watching. So guys, we're about to start roasting our plantain now. So I will wrap the plantain in a foil, then place it in my frying pan. I'm making use of non-stick frying pan. Please, if you don't have a non-stick frying pan, it's not an excuse. You can make use of what you have. Guys, so I've started roasting the plantain. Make sure you flip to the other side. Maybe a minute, 2 minutes, you flip to the other side. You keep doing that until your plantain becomes soft. You check it now. As you can see, I'm checking, and wow, it came out well. Are you seeing it? It came out well. This is now okay, so I have to flip it down. That is inside of the plantain to show you that it's okay. Guys, back to our sauce. We are adding our oil, our red oil now. Please don't allow it to bleach in any way. After that, you just allow it to heat. Make sure it's hot. Then you add your onions and my salt. Just added my tomatoes, so let's allow it to fry a bit before adding other things. So I've added my tomatoes, then that's my grated pepper. I grated my pepper, so I just added my pepper now. now I'll be adding just 1 cube of Maggi. At this point, you should test your salt. If your salt is okay, you leave it. If not, you can add salt to taste. But I just added 1 cube of Maggi and my salt is okay, so I don't bother adding any other salt. Guys, at this point I'll be adding my vegetable, my ugu fruited pumpkin. That's the last thing I'll be adding. Then you allow it to just fry for like 2 minutes, then you bring it out. It's a vegetable, so you don't need to overcook your vegetable. After putting it just 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes, your local sauce is done. So guys, how do you see this local sauce? Hope is lovely. Like, oh my god, I wish you tested this with me, guys. I wish you tested this with me. This is the best delicacy I've ever tested. Yeah guys, in fact, it's a very healthy delicacy. Make sure you try it after watching this video. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video. See you in my next video, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.